This is a day in the life of the sex mechanic. Welcome. So, I'm up today, getting ready to go meet up with a buddy of mine, a friend of mine, my homie, my boy from work. We used to work together in San Francisco, but now he's in Portland, and so he's visiting from Portland, and we're gonna hang out. We're supposed to be doing some kayaking today, which is gonna be interesting, especially since they recently found some sharks, or at least one shark I saw a report of in the off the coast there. I don't know if it was around La Jolla or somewhere else, but if that's where we're kayaking, then that'll make things really interesting. But I'm just getting ready right now. I'm gonna put some clothes on, get my shit together. I just cleaned up a little bit, got things lined up somewhat, and we're gonna get ready to go. All right, peace. So the goal, if there is any today, is to treat San Diego like a tourist. Since I haven't really been out to do things in San Diego, today's a perfect opportunity to be with a friend of mine who's coming in town, and he's coming in town with his friend, and she probably knows the city way more than I do because I really just haven't been out around the city much. So in that regard, I'll look for great food. We're gonna do the kayaking thing. I'll probably check out La Jolla, Del Mar area, and we'll go from there. We'll see what's popping. But I'm definitely gonna be on the search for good food, and when I find it, I'll definitely put you guys up on game, and I'll have the video footage for you so you can see it. I'm here with Leah and Steven.
Wagwan.
There's Leah.
Hi.
And we are headed to the kayaking station, I guess you want to call it.
Kayak tour. It's a kayak tour of the La Jolla Cove, I believe. Yeah. Should be dope. Should be kayaking inside some caves, actually. I don't know if you know that.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh shit, that'll be cool. Yeah.
If the tide's down, if the tide's low, I think we'll go kayak inside.
Can you imagine getting stuck in a cave?
Yeah, that's my fear. And somebody sent me a news clip of this shark in the water. I wonder who that is.
Oh shit, man, that sounds like a person with a sense of humor.
Yeah. Somebody.
So yeah, we're headed over there now. We'll be by the beach soon, or we're actually already near the beach. But are we gonna pick up the kayak and then have to walk it over there, or is it already on the beach?
No, for that much money, they better be like lifting me up and putting me on the kayak.
We'll be back. Nope. Oh. That's what it looks like behind me. People as far as you can see. This is what my next year is gonna look like. Now we wait to see if the kayaking can return. You might remember this guy from not Maui. We didn't go to Maui. I didn't go to Maui with you. The Big Island trip.
Big Island, Kauai?
Yeah. No, you weren't in. Oh, you were in Kauai the first time. Yeah. Yeah, he was scared of the Kalalau Trail, so he didn't make it.
You made one of the most dangerous trails in the world. Yeah,
it really wasn't that bad.
No, thank you.
It really wasn't that bad, though. It was longer more than anything. It wasn't dangerous, though. I mean, maybe it was. It didn't feel dangerous. Let me say that.
There was one up there. I told Jason it was an Alaska bird. I don't live here, Jason. You live here. You know the times. I think you got one of those islands in Greece. What are they called?
Santorini or Mykonos? Oh, then I don't know the other ones.
No, it's a quite below one.
So originally, we weren't going to be able to kayak, and then Leah was persistent. She was determined, and we ended up getting the kayak after all. So we're headed over there now. You will see if I end up busting my ass or if I end up succeeding in being the best kayaker you've ever seen. You're going to see it all, no matter what happens.
Maybe the first.
Sounds like a hater, but you know.
The guest house. That fell in one. That's how he died. I forgot.
That's nice. Good stuff.
This cave we do get to go in on some days. Unfortunately, we don't today just because of conditions. We have a super low tide right now. We have some bigger nets that are kind of cruising there.
So I for sure got wet just now. I was coming back in and I thought they said lean back in the direction that you're getting pushed by the wave, but apparently I was leaning back in the wrong direction and I got a little wet. It was only the bottom half of my body, so it wasn't too bad. But we're leaving the kayak area. We had fun, and now we're gonna head over and get some food, some more food probably. I don't know, we're gonna do something, we'll figure it out. But you are halfway in the day of the life of a sex mechanic, or the sex mechanic. There's only one, remember. I'm the only sex mechanic. Keep that in mind. As the day winds down, we're over here at one of La Jolla's beaches watching the sunset, and hopefully I can get some really good footage for you guys so you can see that and enjoy. Okay, so the evening is coming to an end now. We are at a restaurant called El Pescador, and it is known for its seafood. So you already know. Got some oysters so I can test them out, and also got some swordfish. So we'll see how it is. I'm excited about it. I think it's gonna turn out well. And afterwards, I'll probably be dropped off because they picked me up. Leah and Steven picked me up, so they'll probably drop me off, or we'll figure something else out for the night. But I think I'm probably gonna bring it to an end since my battery is getting low. I'll definitely show you the food, of course, but outside of that, we'll see what the rest of the night brings.